Over 60, stop eating these three meats and start eating these three instead. Do you think you're eating clean, healthy meat after 60? Think again. 99% of seniors have no idea that just a few slices of seemingly harmless meat each day could silently push your heart toward a heart attack, cloud your memory, or even feed cancer, right there on your dinner plate. Today on Healthy Choices, we're exposing the three most dangerous meats that people over 60 should never touch, and the three golden meats that can rebuild muscle, restore memory, and extend your life far beyond what you thought possible. Every claim is backed by the latest scientific research, with data so shocking it may send chills down your spine. Stay until the end, because the one most dangerous meat on this list has been linked to a 56% increased risk of heart attack. And chances are you're eating it every single week. Drop a comment below. Which type of meat do you eat most often? We're reading and replying to every single one. And don't forget, subscribe now. This video could literally save a decade of your healthy, vibrant life. I'm not exaggerating when I call it a biological time bomb wrapped in sweet, crispy temptation, familiar, delicious, and silently deadly. From the perspective of modern medicine, bacon is no longer just a popular breakfast item. For people over 60, it represents a dangerous compound, a mix of preservatives, unhealthy fats, and inflammation triggers, all of which contribute to cell degeneration, vascular damage, and brain deterioration. Scientific breakdown: one slice of bacon, three poisoned arrows. One sodium nitrate, used to preserve bacon's bright pink color, transforms into nitrosamine when fried at high temperatures, a compound proven to damage human cells and identified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer (IARC) as a known carcinogen. Two saturated fat and trans fats in bacon raise LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, which is the primary cause of atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries. Over time, these plaques narrow the arteries, leading to serious events like stroke and heart attack. 3. Chronic low-grade inflammation. A silent, long-term condition slowly erodes brain cells, impairing memory and cognitive function in the elderly. Bacon is a powerful catalyst for triggering this inflammation, causing oxidative stress and gradual cellular decline. A true story when every slice of bacon becomes a bitter prophecy. In my years of practice, I've encountered numerous patients with small, daily habits that led to big consequences. Take, for example, a man in his 60s, previously healthy, active, and living a disciplined lifestyle. But he had one dietary weakness: every morning, 2 slices of bacon with fried eggs. After 12 months of this routine, the following red flags emerged: skyrocketing blood pressure, consistently exceeding safe limits, placing him at high risk for heart attack; cholesterol surge, LDL cholesterol nearly doubled, indicating arterial plaque accumulation; neurological decline, cognitive tests revealed worsening short-term memory, slower reflexes, and reduced concentration; inflammation spike. Blood tests showed elevated CRP levels, a biomarker of inflammation signaling chronic internal inflammation. These changes weren't the result of genetics or pre-existing conditions. They were direct consequences of regularly consuming bacon, an industrial product packed with a toxic mix far beyond what an aging body can endure. The unspoken truth: how bacon affects seniors' bodies. Beyond its ties to heart disease, bacon causes a cascade of other health issues: brain cell damage. Nitrosamines not only fuel cancer but also destroy neurons, leading to memory loss and behavioral disorders. Accelerated aging. Bad fats promote free radical production, cellular attackers that hasten aging, causing saggy skin, joint problems, and fatigue. Loss of independence. Cognitive decline, paired with restricted blood flow from clogged arteries, slowly strips seniors of their autonomy and quality of life. Clinical advice from my experience: change starts now. If you're over 60, it's time to rethink your breakfast routine. What may seem harmless in youth can become a silent threat in your later years. Instead of bacon, consider boiled or steamed eggs. Retain nutrients without extra frying fats, a source of clean protein. Pan-seared salmon with olive oil, rich in omega-3s, supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Natural nut butters provide healthy fats, regulate cholesterol, and offer sustained energy for the brain. Every meal you change isn't just about taste, it's about preserving your future. You can't turn back time, but you can take control of how you care for your body, starting today. 2. Cold cuts, trading convenience for memory and longevity. In geriatric medicine, there's a bitter paradox. The easiest foods to eat are often the worst for aging bodies. And cold cuts, industrial processed deli meats, are a textbook example. Medical insight. Behind every thin slice lies a chain of biological threats. Cold cuts, including sliced deli meats, sausages, ham, and prepackaged chicken, are engineered for convenience. Easy to eat, easy to store, no need for cooking. But this convenience comes at a hidden cost, created through an intensive industrial process that, if you saw it step by step, you might never eat them again. 1. Sodium nitrite, injected into every slice to keep its pink hue, reacts with amino acids in the meat to form nitrosamines, which are well-documented carcinogens confirmed by dozens of scientific studies. 2. Inorganic phosphate, a common additive used to enhance elasticity and make the meat appear fresher, disrupts the calcium-phosphorus balance in the bloodstream, damaging kidneys, bones, and the central nervous system. 3. Hidden sugars and starches, found in most packaged cold cuts to soften the texture, can cause dangerous blood sugar spikes, especially in those with diabetes or prediabetes. 4. Excessive sodium. A single serving of cold cuts can contain 50–70% of the recommended daily salt intake. For elderly individuals with weak kidneys and high blood pressure, that's a daily dose of poison. A story behind a convenient sandwich. I've treated many patients who never realized they were making a mistake. They didn't eat fried food, didn't smoke, didn't drink, but they all shared one thing in common. Their daily lunch was a cold-cut sandwich with cheese, quick, no cooking required. One such patient was a woman in her early 60s, petite, healthy-looking. She came in complaining of dizziness, leg swelling, and chronic fatigue. Initially, she blamed it on aging, but her test results told a different story. Her glomerular filtration rate, GFR, had dropped significantly in just 6 months. There was evident inflammation of her blood vessels. Her morning blood pressure was unusually high, even though she didn't add salt to food. She reported difficulty focusing and occasional confusion. A deep dive into her nutrition habits revealed that she had eaten cold-cut sandwiches daily for 3 years because it was easy and required no cooking. After switching her to a new diet, steamed chicken, grilled fish, boiled eggs, and fresh greens, just 4 months later, her blood pressure stabilized, GFR improved, leg swelling disappeared, and most importantly, she could finally remember her grandson's name at each visit. Cognitive and mental impacts, the overlooked danger. Cold cuts don't just harm your kidneys and heart, they deeply impact the aging brain through 2 key mechanisms. They increase inflammation in cerebral blood vessels, which impairs microcirculation and short-term memory. Over time, toxic buildup causes chronic neuroinflammation, accelerating risks of Alzheimer's and dementia. Practical advice for seniors and their families. Want a quick, no-cook meal? That's fine. Just don't make it cold cuts. Instead, prepare quick yet clean options like boiled chicken breast thinly sliced, kept in the fridge for 3–4 days. Peeled boiled eggs served with walnuts and microgreens. Grilled salmon or saba fish, pre-portioned in airtight containers. By simply prepping these on the weekend, you'll have delicious, nutritious meals all week, without sacrificing your kidneys, brain, or heart. Number 1. Fried chicken, a nostalgic treat or a double-edged sword cutting away your lifespan. Every time I visit elderly patients, I ask, "What's your favorite food?" And many smile, "Crispy fried chicken, doctor." But some also confess, with tears in their eyes, "Now, just one bite makes my heart race, my legs swell, and my body feel heavy all day long." Medical perspective. What's inside that crunchy bite is a cocktail of harm for aging bodies. Don't let the crispy coating or the tempting aroma deceive you. Fried chicken, especially the mass-produced kind from fast food chains, is a medical time bomb for people over 60. 1. Deep frying in industrial oils, typically oxidized soybean or corn oil, saturates the chicken with trans fats, the very substance the WHO has called to eliminate globally, due to its direct link to strokes and heart attacks. 2. The batter often contains sugar and refined starch, leading to glycation, a reaction that produces AGE's advanced glycation end products. These accelerate aging, cause wrinkling, harden blood vessels, and raise the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. High-heat frying also produces acrylamide, a neurotoxin and potential carcinogen, confirmed in multiple studies on both animals and humans. A real case when fried chicken became a silent threat at family gatherings. There's one patient story I'll never forget. A woman in her early 60s, cheerful and warm, often cooked weekend meals for her big family. Her specialty: traditional style fried chicken, golden and crispy. It was a family favorite, just a few pieces every weekend. But over the next 2 years, her health slowly declined. Shortness of breath during light walks, blurry vision, dry skin, aching joints, mood swings, memory loss, and frequent irritability. When she came in for a checkup, her lab results were alarming. LDL cholesterol had doubled beyond recommended levels. CRP and inflammation markers were severely elevated. Her liver function showed signs of stress from fat buildup. Arterial flexibility had significantly deteriorated. After a deep dive into her diet, we found the culprit wasn't alcohol, wasn't cake. It was that seemingly harmless weekly plate of fried chicken. Deep impact on the brain and nervous system in seniors. Did you know that each time you eat fried chicken, your neural inflammation markers spike for 4–6 hours post-meal? For younger bodies, recovery is quick. But for the elderly with weakened immune systems, the inflammation lingers, leading to higher risk of late-life depression, reduced short-term memory and attention span, hormonal and emotional imbalances. Advice from a doctor who has seen this pattern hundreds of times. I understand, fried chicken is tied to childhood memories and family warmth. But once you're past 60, your body is no longer the same. Every meal is no longer about flavor. It's a decision about your future health. Instead of all fried chicken, choose air-fried chicken, marinated with olive oil and herbs, steamed chicken breast slices, served with salad and Greek yogurt dressing, charcoal grilled chicken, no batter, with brown rice and steamed vegetables. In old age, there's no room for complacency. One bite of fried chicken is not worth trading away 10 years of memory, 5 years of independent mobility, or the chance to hug your grandchild with strong, steady arms. 3 types of meat you should eat. 3. Wild salmon, the loving meat that heals aging cells. I once told a patient, there's a type of meat that doesn't just nourish your body, it repairs the broken parts of your heart, brain, and memory. That meat is wild salmon. Medical insight: wild salmon, anti-inflammatory, brain protective, vessel healing. Not all salmon are created equal. While farm-raised salmon may contain antibiotics, colorants, and growth hormones, wild-caught salmon is one of the cleanest and most powerful types of meat recommended for people over 60. 1. Abundant omega-3s, EPA and DHA. These essential fatty acids reduce systemic inflammation, soften arteries, stabilize blood pressure, and most importantly, protect brain cells from degeneration. 2. Natural vitamin D and B12. Enhance calcium absorption, fight osteoporosis, promote healthy blood cell production, and keep the mind sharp. 3. Selenium, a trace mineral acting as a cellular shield, helping the body fight aging and reduce the risk of prostate, breast, and colon cancers. A story of change from a simple habit. I recall an elderly male patient who came to me feeling chronically fatigued, suffering from insomnia, and showing early signs of memory loss, subtle symptoms of cognitive decline. Lab tests didn't reveal any major illness, but his quality of life was visibly deteriorating. A diet review showed that he regularly ate red meat, beef, and pork, and had no oily fish intake. I advised him, replace red meat with wild salmon, grilled with olive oil, twice a week for 3 months. The result? He slept better within 4 weeks. His memory significantly improved. He could remember appointments, medication names, and engage in deeper conversations with family. His bad cholesterol dropped, good cholesterol rose. His mood stabilized, with no more unexplained irritability. No medication could have done that so quickly, and with 0 side effects. Why seniors especially need wild salmon. After the age of 60, the body's ability to fight inflammation, absorb nutrients, and regenerate cells becomes slower and less efficient. Wild salmon acts like nature's support team, helping to fight chronic low-grade inflammation, the silent culprit behind Alzheimer's, arthritis, and atherosclerosis, rebuild nerve cell membranes, preserving memory, processing, and language skills, stabilize blood sugar and blood pressure, thanks to its healthy fat profile and balanced minerals. Numerous studies show that eating oily fish 2-3 times per week can lower Alzheimer's risk by 35–40% and significantly extend healthy lifespan compared to diets rich in red or processed meats. Doctor's advice: how to eat salmon for maximum benefit. Not everyone can afford wild salmon regularly, but when you can, follow these guidelines. Prioritize wild-caught salmon, not farm-raised. Cook it by steaming, grilling, or pan-searing with olive oil. Avoid deep frying or heavy cream sauces. Pair with greens, pumpkin, or sweet potatoes to enhance absorption of healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins. You don't need to eat salmon every day. Just 2–3 meals per week can make a noticeable difference in memory, sleep, heart health, and even your overall joy for life. 2. Free-range chicken with skin, the healing meat seniors have forgotten. If there's one kind of meat that helps rebuild tissue, nourishes the skin, and is gentle on aging digestion, it's free-range chicken. Not factory-farmed chicken full of antibiotics, not dry, boneless white meat, but naturally raised, skin-on free-range chicken like the warm, comforting meals Mom once made. Medical insight: free-range chicken more than food, a cell recovery therapy. The biggest difference between factory chicken and free-range chicken isn't how it looks, it's what it does biologically. 1. Natural collagen in free-range chicken, especially around the skin and bones, supports connective tissue repair, joint health, skin elasticity, and wound healing in older adults. 2. Essential amino acids, lysine, proline, glycine, in the meat help maintain muscle mass and bone strength, both vital to prevent frailty and falls in aging bodies. 3. The natural chicken skin, when properly boiled or roasted, contains healthy fats that aid absorption of vitamins D, E, and K, key for brain, skin, bone, and immune health. A real story of recovery from a fragile body. A woman in her 70s came to me feeling exhausted, with dry skin, hair loss, poor sleep, and mild digestive issues. Her tests showed no major disease, but her quality of life was clearly deteriorating. After reviewing her diet, I found it very plain: mostly rice porridge, very little protein, no skin, no broth, and she avoided fat entirely. I told her, try eating boiled free-range chicken with skin and bones. Simmer it with vegetables and ginger. Do this 2–3 times a week. And don't fear the skin, it feeds your soft tissues. After 6 weeks, her skin became less dry and her hair stopped shedding. She ate better, slept deeper. She moved briskly again, no longer dragging her feet. Her digestion normalized, no more bloating or irregular stools. None of this was due to medication. It came from biologically aligned, nourishing food. Why do seniors need to eat the skin, drink the broth? In old age, digestion, absorption, hormones, and immunity gradually decline. Over-restrictive diets like cutting out skin, eating only lean meat, or avoiding bone broth eliminate the very nutrients that help the body stay healthy past 60. Collagen from bone broth not only beautifies skin, but soothes joints and prevents stiffness, a major issue in elderly life. Natural fats in chicken skin help balance hormones, especially in postmenopausal women, improving both mood and memory. Zinc, iron, and B6 in chicken support immune function and red blood cell production, giving a rosier complexion and reducing fatigue. Doctor's advice: eating right doesn't mean eating bland, dry, or deprived. If you're over 60, consider adding free-range chicken to your weekly meals. Choose skin-on, bone-in, free-range chicken. Don't discard the most valuable parts. Cook by boiling, steaming, or slow simmering with vegetables, ginger, turmeric, or shallots for anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Avoid frying or seasoning with MSG or excessive additives. You'll begin to feel a difference: softer skin, lighter mood, easier digestion, and more importantly, a sense of vitality returning to your body. 1. Beef liver, a superfood that rebuilds blood, memory, and energy after 60. If I could choose only one type of meat to restore memory, boost blood levels, and help seniors recover from chronic fatigue, I wouldn't choose steak, salmon, or eggs. I'd choose beef liver, a forgotten food with extraordinary biological power. Beef liver, especially from grass-fed cattle, is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and it's perfectly suited for older bodies needing deep cellular restoration. 1. Vitamin B12, B6, and folic acid. This trio stimulates bone marrow, promotes red blood cell production, prevents anemia, improves oxygen transport, and restores vitality. 2. Heme iron, highly bioavailable, absorbed 3–4 times better than plant-based iron. Seniors often struggle with iron absorption, and beef liver offers a natural shortcut to restoring iron levels. No pills needed. 3. Natural vitamin A, retinol, supports vision, immune function, and tissue repair, all critical for elderly individuals prone to dry eyes and frequent infections. 4. Choline and CoQ10, two brain-nourishing compounds that boost cellular energy, improve memory, and may help prevent Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. A real story: a man who thought he'd be dependent forever. A 72-year-old man came in with chronic anemia, persistent fatigue, poor concentration, and short-term memory loss. Despite taking multiple supplements, his improvement was minimal. I asked, "When was the last time you ate liver?" He replied, "Probably when my wife used to make stir-fried liver with onions. That was 10 years ago." So instead of prescribing more pills, I gave him a dietary plan. 100 g of clean beef liver twice a week. Stir-fry lightly with onion and ginger. Don't overcook. Pair with leafy greens, and a splash of lemon to boost iron absorption. After just 5 weeks, his hemoglobin levels improved significantly. He felt less dizzy, walked more briskly, and breathed easier. He remembered his appointment dates, medication names, and no longer confused room numbers. Most importantly, his eyes lit up again, a sign of renewed life from within. Liver helps memory, but only when eaten the right way. Many people fear liver, thinking the liver filters toxins. In truth, the liver processes toxins, it doesn't store them. If you choose liver from clean, hormone-free, antibiotic-free beef, it becomes one of the most precious foods for seniors. Doctor's advice: liver doesn't need to be eaten daily, but it shouldn't be ignored all year. You only need 100–150 g of clean beef liver, 1-2 times per week, enough to provide nearly all B vitamins, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and choline. Soak liver in milk or lemon water for 15 minutes before cooking to reduce odor and soften texture. Lightly stir-fry with onion, garlic, and ginger, or cook into liver porridge with lotus seeds and brown rice. Easy to digest and deeply nourishing. You don't need to overuse it, just be consistent, so your nervous system, bone marrow, and brain function aren't silently deteriorating. Now you know, some meats are silently eroding senior health every day, but others, like beef liver, have the power to rebuild your body, protect your mind, and help you live longer, stronger. The key isn't just to eat less, but to eat smarter. Every food decision you make today will shape your next 10 years. Will you be strong or weak, clear-minded or confused, independent or dependent? What surprised you most in today's video? Share it in the comments. Healthy Choices is listening. And if you'd like more practical, science-backed health insights made simple for older adults, tap that subscribe button and hit the bell. We bring you weekly tips that can change the way you live for the better. Don't let old habits decide your future. Let knowledge guide your next meal. Thank you for watching till the very end. Wishing you a life of health, vitality, and wise choices.